Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in previous videos we are already discussed of the data types and the variables of Python. Data types and also the variables what we are going to use in the Python. We are already had a discussion in the previous videos. Okay, now in this video we are going to learn what are the arithmetic operators in a Python. See, suppose if you are using Python, there we are going to see some different operators like data types, variables. Now, here we are going to learn arithmetic operators in a Python. See, arithmetic operators, the arithmetic is nothing but these are the platform of basic mathematical operators or basic mathematical operations. See, whatever the mathematical operations will come under Python, all the basic mathematical operations we are going to perform under the arithmetic operators. See, it may be a addition, subtraction, multiplication, then division, all it comes under arithmetic operators in the Python. See, the arithmetic operators is nothing but all the mathematical operations. See, under mathematical operations, we are going to use addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All these are the arithmetic operators we are going to use under the Python. Okay, now here some of the basic operations. See, what are the basic operations we are going to use? See here basic operations, as I told you, the addition is nothing but we are going to add the numbers. See, for example, here there is a syntax for the addition operator or operations. A is equal to 10, then b is equal to 5. Then how the Python is going to be display the output as print. See, already we discussed input and output operators of a Python. If you didn't watch the videos, once you go back and watch input and output of a Python videos, then you'll come to know. Here we are going to print. Let's see, print we are using for output function. So print a plus b. See, when we give a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 5, then the result will be 15. Then the addition operator is going to display as 15. See, it is going to add the numbers. It is going to add the numbers what we are going to represent. Then it comes second one is the second basic operation is subtraction. The subtraction is nothing but we are going to minus the values. That means already here we defined a is 10 and b is 5. Then if I use the subtract operation into the Python, means subtract operator into the Python, here it comes a minus b. See, print a minus b. So 10 minus 5, the answer will be, the output will be the 5. Then it comes the same numbers, we are going to do the calculation of multiplication. See, this is third operation, that is multiplication. See, multiplication comes a into b. We are going to multiply the values here. Already the values you have defined, a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 10. Then when it comes to the multiplication, a is equal to 10, then b is equal to 5. Then the output will be the 50. 10 5 is a 50. So in this way we are going to use the basic operations under the Python. Okay, I think you have understood how you are going to use addition, subtraction and multiplication operations in the Python. By using, see here we are going to use print command, we are going to use for to get output of a particular equation what we are going to give. Okay, next if we see the other operations are, okay, after multiplication operator or after multiplication operation, now the fourth one is division. See, division is already we know we are going to divide. See, for example, a is, see, the syntax is print a divided by b. See, always returns upload. Upload is nothing but decimal. See, the decimal where we are going to represent our decimal numbers, we are going to call it as float. Then here, so you can see 2.0 is a decimal number. Okay, how the decimal number we are getting here? See, for example, already we had a value that is a is 10 and b is 5. So we are going to divide 10 by 5, then we are going to get a value of 5 to the 10. So here we are going to always return in a float. See, float is nothing but we are going to use decimal numbers under the float means float. See, this is one of the data type, so we are going to consider as 2.0. See, always it returns in a float. Okay, then after division, the next operation is floor division. See, floor division is nothing but it represents the integer quotient. See, integer here in the float we are going to use decimal numbers. Then when it comes float division, here we are going to represent integer quotient. See, integers is nothing but whole numbers. The whole numbers are without decimal. Whole number without decimal, what we are going to use, this we are going to call it as integer quotient. So for example, here a is 10, then b is 5, then the output will be 2, because here we are going to mention as quotient value of integer, that is the integer is not having any decimal numbers, but the float data type will be having the decimal number, so we are going to indicate here 2.0. So in this way, we are going to use basic mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and floor division under the Python. Okay, next, if you see advanced operations, see some advanced operations of a Python. See here under advanced operations, we are going to see modules. See, modules are nothing but we are going to represent under the remainders. See, the modules are what we are going to call it as average or percentage. It is going to be represent as a remainder. See, your syntax is the modules remainder, or the syntax is print a percentage b. We are going to call it as modules. See, a is 10 and b is 5. Then the output is the output is 0. It comes. See, every time it is going to be remain. See, returns the remainder. See, for example, here 10 divided by, okay, here 10 divided by 5. Okay, here 5 to the 10, and here it comes 0. See, 5 to the 10, it comes 0. See, this is always remains 0. Returns the remainder. See, modules are nothing but it returns the remainders. Then exponential. See, exponential is nothing but raises power. See, a to the power means it raises the power of the value what we are going to give here. See, print, the syntax is print a to the power means power rises power b. See, rises power b. The output will be 1 lakh. It raises the power of the value. See, here the modules are going to remind us, means returns the reminders. Whatever the remainder will get, it is going to represent the remainder of the value. Then when it comes to the exponential, the exponentials that raises the power of the value what we are going to represent in the Python. Okay, I hope you understood some basic operations of mathematical instructions we are going to use under the Python. Okay, now under summary, if you see in simple way, if you are going to see the Python under arithmetic and logic operators, we are going to use addition to add the numbers, then subtraction to subtract the numbers, and multiplication to multiplication the numbers, division, this is under division, float, that is only decimal point, decimal numbers is going to represent. Then it comes to the float division, here only integer numbers, there is no decimal. Then modules, it represent only remainders. Then exponential it comes, this operator or operation it comes the power of the value. I hope you understood some of the arithmetic operators what we are going to use under the Python after watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, like the video, and share my videos. Thank you.